Hey everybody, Mark Warman here from Graveyard Carz, home of the Mopar muscle car. So, as everybody knows, watching Graveyard Carz, our key to success is our partners. So we have the best vendors, the best products, the best support, we have the best cars, and we turn out the very best product. In this particular case, I'm talking about Abrasives. So we were introduced to Abrasives several years ago. Talking with one of their salespeople, I realized that they have a line of products that we now use nonstop called Predator. This Predator lineup is designed to be used with the mild steel, not the high-strength steel, the tensile steel that you see out there in today's cars, but the old-school American muscle car stuff. It's an American company. They're making an American product for an American car. That's the way I look at it.
All right. So today I'm using some Predator 80 grit sanding belts to get this chunk of floor out of here. And we're going to start grinding these spot welds from this way going this way and just work my way around.
The different products they have, from the grinding discs to the belt sanders to the resurfacing, we use all of those products on a daily basis. What it allows us to do is to be able to finish the metal work off in a way that is the least amount of negative impact to the metal, the cleanest finished product, so that it could go right into the mud room, get smoothed out, over to the paint shop, painted, and then finally into the assembly shop. Like this 1971 Hemi Cuda, the only one left in the world exactly like it, V5 Blue. All of the metal work was done on this car using our Abrasives, the Predator line.